Hello and welcome to Aina Today with me Nazim. A man who is an Agniveer from the Indian Army and 6 others have been arrested in connection with robbing jewelry and cash worth over 50 lakh rupees after storming into a jewelry shop in Bhopal and holding the shop employee at gunpoint. According to Bhopal Police Commissioner Hari Narayanacharya Mishra, the accused Mohit Singh Baghel, the Agniveer, was posted in Punjab's Pathankot and was on leave and had been in Bhopal to meet his brother-in-law. Baghel had planned the robbery intended to pay off his brother-in-law's house loan and then enjoy himself with the remaining money. Baghel and his friend Akash Rai carried out the robbery at the jewelry shop on August 13. In a CCTV footage of the incident, Baghel and Roy, both wearing helmets, are seen threatening the shop employee. Baghel brandished a pistol at him and demanded him to give jewelry and cash to them. Following this, Baghel and Akash Roy fled the jewelry and cash, and the police began to scan around 400 CCTV installed within a radius of 20 kilometers from the crime scene. The police commissioner said 4 police teams scanned the CCTV footages and Baghel was identified from the footage. A reward of rupees 50,000 had been announced for informing, leading to the arrest of the accused. Police said Baghel had plotted the robbery and used to do recce of the jewelry shop at night before committing the crime. In another incident in July this year, the Mohali police arrested 3 youths, including an Agniveer, in a vehicle snatching case. The police said the accused, identified as Agniveer Ishmeet Singh alias Ishu, Prabheet Singh alias Prabh, and Balkaram Singh. The Agniveer Ishmeet, currently posted in West Bengal, had come to Punjab on leave 2 months ago but did not rejoin work after his leave period of 1 month. The accused hailed from Punjab, Fazil district. The Agniveer scheme faced accusations from Congress leader Rahul Gandhi and other opposition leaders including Akhilesh Yadav, Tejasvi Yadav. The scheme since 2022 has been the center of controversies with many protests demanding the government to roll back the scheme.
उसमें जो मुख्य आरोपी जिसने इस लूट को अंजाम दिया वो इसमें पठानकोट में अग्निवीर में वहाँ पर पोस्टेड है और वहाँ से छुट्टी के लिए 15 दिनों के लिए यहाँ पर आया हुआ था। यहाँ पर मुख्य करके मोहित नाम का जो आरोपी है उसके साथ साथ दूसरा जो उसका साथी आकाश है और वह जो है एक का आरोपी रीवा का रहने वाला है, एक आरोपी यहाँ पर अपने कुछ रिश्तेदारों के साथ रहता था। इसमें अलग अलग स्तरों पर इसके कुछ रिश्तेदार भी जुड़े हुए थे जो उस रकम को दूसरी जगह ठिकाने लगाने से लेकर के इसमें अलग अलग जगहों पर इनको छुपाने से लेकर के वाहन उपलब्ध कराने से लेकर के तो इसमें 6 के आसपास लोगों को आरोपी बनाया गया है जो किसी भी स्तर पर इसमें संलग्न है। लगभग 24 घंटे के अंदर आरोपियों की पहचान कर ली गई। अभी तक उसमें खास तौर पे जो आरोपी हैं उन आरोपियों की न सिर्फ पहचान कर ली गई है बल्कि उसमें कुल जो 4 आरोपी हैं और उसमें कुछ 2 आरोपियों के नाम अभी और बड़े हैं तो उन सभी लोगों को पहचान करके उसमें सभी को लगभग पुलिस ने गिरफ्तार कर लिया।
The Agniveer or Agnipath scheme announced in June 2022 recruits soldiers in the Army, Navy and Air Force on a 4-year contract with 25% retained for a further 15 years. The opposition not only alleged a large-scale unemployment but also expressed apprehensions about the possibility of increasing in crime rate. Hope the government will look into this issue seriously. Thank you for watching Aina Today.